these things around my office. I see them everywhere.
Just gentle reminders.
Feet on the floor, not on the table. Don't be a grouch. I know that you're able. And where's Amy? He's not on his route. He's not on the dock.
I gave him a personal day off. Yes, it's his 7th wedding anniversary. 7 pomegranates or bronze. We gotta send him something from the company.
We do send them something from the company every week. It's called a paycheck.
You know, they have some beautiful brass candlesticks down at Bloomingdale's.
Do they? Okay, sure. You know what? Pick those up for me too.
Yes, ma'am. That way when I get your baguettes, they won't be stale.
We do not use trucks to run errands.
No, Amy, I can place it in the books. It'll look like he's working.
You know, Martin, you get that assignment. Your break was over 5 minutes ago.
Actually, I gave the guys an extra 15 minutes.
And why, pray tell?
Because I thought that it would make them more productive.
Well, you know what, Jay? They're truck drivers. They are only productive when they're driving trucks.
Actually, boss, I'm feeling a little more tranquil.
You know, they're teaching Tai Chi down at the unemployment office.
Ooh, look at the time.
Jay, you do not come in here and undermine my authority.
It's my authority too.
And how's it your authority?
They're partners, remember?
Yeah, at life, in love, in bed, we're partners. Here, this is work. We're not partners here.
Then why do we share an office?
We don't share an office. You're trespassing in my office.
Hey, you hired me, remember?
No, I didn't hire you, Jay. I asked you to come in and help out because you were bored at home.
You know what? We don't even have to discuss this right now,
Good,
okay?
we don't.
We have all the ride home and all night long to hash this out.
Breakfast mine, you're working Christmas Day. Hey, where's Junior?
He's in the yard to tell us to.
Okay, I got it. Oh, by the way, I left you a gentle reminder.
You did that.
Yes, I did.
I like that, baby. Oh, the kids and I are getting much dinner because the new accountant forgot to make dinner.
Sweetheart.
Very funny, Michael.
So what are you looking at?
Ethiopia.
That the Wilsons who made? Can I joke with you anymore?
Sure. Let me know when you start. Something bugging you, Dad?
Well, not bugging me per se, but I couldn't use a sounding board. But listen,
You're coming to me for advice? Oh, this is a first.
back it really is a while. Look, it's like this. Your mother is working on me, and she's driving me nuts.
Oh, Dad. Well, you should have come to me sooner. Sit down. Okay. The way I see it is you have 3 choices. And you can suffer silently and be miserable for the rest of your life. 2, you can sell the business and become a tuna fisherman. I love tuna. Let me get right to D. D. Buy your mom. I know, but there really are no other choices except for A and 2.
Come on, baby. Just watch the first 10 minutes. If you don't like it after that, you can turn it off.
Is that baby in it?
Yes. Everybody loves E.T. They're even coming back in the theaters.
I want to pet her. You know who's in this movie too? Who? The girl from Charlie's Angels. The cut that Chinese girl? No, the one with red hair and brown roots. Drew. The one who Charlie hates? Yeah, your favorite. Why didn't you say so? Turn on!
Hey, get you some tea.
Oh, thank you.
Here you go.
You know what this reminds me? We should stop using those paper cups at the driver's lounge. On our way to work, let's stop at Pottery Barn and pick up some nice ceramic mugs.
Jay?
Here.
Fine.
What?
I don't want you to go.
Come in here.
No, don't come in here.
You wait a minute. You're actually firing me?
Yes, what would you like?
We're fired, right? Like what happened at my last job, fired?
Listen, Jay, this working is coming between you not doing it for me. I'm doing it for us.
Oh, really? Okay, well, you know what? I sure hope us is gonna be happy sleeping on the couch.
All right. Nice long window.
Junior, nice and touchy. So you, baby girl, and yourself for mommy.
Didn't I get a waffle?
Oh, I was an accountant on beauty.
Oh, come on, Jay, don't do this to me.
Oh, don't worry, I don't have any intention of doing anything to you anymore. Okay, I'm going to school.
Me too.
Bye.
Wow, you're fast. Hey, I see you and E.T. finally
I'm
got
just trying to see
acquainted.
something.
Special. Now, what do you want for breakfast? Well, E.T., did you know if Katie eats candy for breakfast, she gets punished?
Yeah, now you know what E.T. stands for.
Dang, I'll take that phone.
Oh, chill.
Hmm?
Chill.
No, chill. You better turn that head. Didn't you just go?
This is stupid. Okay? We've been together way too long to play these silly little childish games.
Huh?
Well, unlock it.
I signed up for this group.
I understood everything you said. I'm sorry, but I didn't know what else to do. I mean, even Junior told me I should fire him.
Serious? I thought I was doing great things. I thought I was doing great things for our employees, for our business.
You're smart and you're capable, and I'm so lucky to have you as a partner.
Who needed buy a house?
Does that mean you're hiring me back?
Listen, Jay, I know that you've been bored staying at home, okay? And if you got another job, I'd probably never see you. So hiring you back is a good compromise.
You won't work
You don't want a
for
house?
this,
You might as well.
So many ideas, especially the marketing. I have hustled national in 5 years. I promise.
It all sounds wonderful, okay? But you gotta know this, Jay. At work, I'm the boss, okay? I'm the exalted leader. I'm the grand poobah. I am the king of that entire domain, okay?
Your Majesty.
Thank you.
Yes. Oh, Grand Poobah. Grand trash on the way out.
Check.
That's my queen. That baby is hot.
Tell him, can you help us do with the process?
Hmm?
Want a townhome.
These are instructions for Katie's new chemical.